Want effortless chic without the fuss? Discover the secret to waking up ready to go with these stunning shag cuts that turn lazy into iconic. 1. Platinum Wolf Cut. This style maximizes volume for fine hair through heavy, disconnected layers. It creates an edgy, rebellious silhouette that requires nothing more than a quick tousle to look runway ready. The side profile showcases the unique taper at the neck, perfect for elongating the neck visually. It is an excellent choice for oval and heart-shaped faces seeking a bold transformation. 2. Copper Mullet Shag. Vibrant copper tones paired with short crown layers bring instant warmth to the complexion. This wash and go style utilizes natural texture, making it the ultimate time saver for busy mornings. This angle demonstrates how the length at the back softens the edginess of the front. It balances strong jawlines while maintaining a rock and roll aesthetic that defies traditional styling. 3. Jet Black 70s Rockstar Shag. Channeling vintage energy, this cut uses face-framing fringe to highlight the eyes. It works exceptionally well on thick, wavy hair by removing bulk and allowing natural waves to sit perfectly. The movement shown here proves that messy hair can look intentional and sophisticated. It is ideal for those who want to keep their length, but crave a dramatic change in silhouette and manageability. 4. Honey Blonde Butterfly Shag. Soft, feathered layers drift away from the face, creating a butterfly wing effect. This is the perfect entry-level shag for those afraid of going too short, offering softness and versatility. This view highlights the volume at the crown, which adds height without teasing. It creates a luxurious, bouncy look that holds its shape for days, significantly reducing daily styling time. 5. Silver Pixie Shag. A daring hybrid that combines the ease of a pixie with the texture of a shag. It is incredibly liberating for the neck and ears, making it the coolest option for summer or active lifestyles. Detailing the textured end shows how this cut creates a youthful, playful vibe. It suits petite faces perfectly and requires minimal product, just a dab of texturizing pastel finish. 6. Chocolate Brown French Shag. Rooted in Parisian chic, this style relies on blunt bangs and tousled ends. It is sophisticated enough for the office, but casual enough for weekends, thriving on air-dried natural waves. The slight inversion seen here adds modern structure to the messy look. It creates the illusion of thicker hair for fine textures while maintaining the coveted "I woke up like this" French allure. 7. Pastel Pink Razored Bob. The razor technique creates soft, jagged edges that eliminate bluntness. This fantasy color combined with the shag cut creates a whimsical, soft aesthetic that is surprisingly low maintenance. Focusing on the ends reveals how the cut encourages natural movement. It prevents the triangle shape often seen in bobs, making it a flattering choice for women with naturally curly or frizzy hair. 8. Ash Blonde Long Shag with Curtain Bangs. This style frames the face with long, sweeping curtain bangs that blend seamlessly into layers. It creates a slimming effect for round faces and grows out beautifully without needing frequent trims. The back view emphasizes the V-shape cut, which reduces weight and increases swing. It allows long hair to feel light and airy, preventing heavy hair from causing headaches or looking flat. 9. Midnight Blue Curly Shag. Designed specifically for natural curls, this cut releases the curl pattern, allowing for maximum bounce. It embraces volume and frizz as a stylistic choice, celebrating natural hair texture. This proximity shot shows how the layers prevent the curls from weighing down. It is a liberating style for curly girls who want shape and definition without spending hours diffusing their hair. 10. Bronde Midi Shag. Falling right at the collarbone, this Bronde Brown Blonde cut is the ultimate transitional length. It offers the versatility to be tied up while looking complete and stylish when worn down. The texture here shows how easy it is to style with just sea salt spray. It is the quintessential beaky look that works year-round, perfect for anyone wanting a fresh, youthful appearance.